Year 12, trust everything is going well. Remember this building, your SLC. Kitchen area here, look how tiny that is. Nothing out here, sandwich made beautiful and clean. Here we are, just a little bit of an update for our assembly. We're doing it here in the SLC this morning. And I'll sit on one of these wonderful little seats. So here we are. Online learning, I've heard very positive reports from your teachers, so well done. You now know by October your GATS will take place. It's not taking place in June, so don't worry about that for the moment. Exams, I haven't heard much recently, but at this stage still they look like they're delayed and probably will be December. And I've been told probably the earliest, hopefully it will be December. Unit 3, there might be some modifications, but it's pretty much the same, so just do your best there. And Unit 4, we're still waiting for advice from the VCAA as to what exactly will be the changes, but there will probably be some changes there as well. All this will probably mean that your uni choices and some of those things will be delayed slightly as well. None of these things you have any control of, so stay healthy, stay positive, do your best. Our online environment's working really well. And just remember that every other Year 12 student in the state is going through the same thing. So look forward to being in contact with you next week. I'll now hand over to Mr. Simmons for some career advice. Take care.
Good morning, Year 12s. How are we all going under these new conditions? I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your pathways for next year. Because the reality is, despite all the things that are going wrong and going on at the moment, you will be graduating at the end of this year and you will be progressing into the next part of your career. And so one of the things that I'd like you to be doing is really thinking about that this term and making some decisions about what you would like to do. Just to remind you, Year 12 students, that I sent you an email yesterday regarding what you can be doing this term in terms of developing your pathways. And with that email, I sent an attachment with some information on it and also a fair few links that you could access regarding whether you wanted to go to uni, TAFE, apprenticeships, etc. This is the one that I wanted to particularly highlight, is special consideration. Everyone is going to get some kind of special consideration for COVID-19, but there will be some of you who may want to apply for additional reasons, and they're listed here in the document. Because of the way things are, you really need to get started on gathering some of the information now. So if you are going to apply because you have a medical condition, you really need to start talking to your doctor now, not leaving it until next term. Otherwise it will become very difficult, I suspect. So hopefully you can get some of that organised. And finally, anytime you want to talk to me, find out things, just email me. Doesn't matter what time of day, whether it's during the week or on weekends, that's fine. Let me know how I can help you. Good luck with it all, and hopefully we'll see you face to face in the not too distant future.